Here we are. This is super source, and we have camera 1 on the left and camera 8 in the center. 8 has this, and it has this, and it has this, and this. All of these are sources for this view super source. And this is a video there on camera 8. That's a video. So that's one of the examples of how this works. Another example is this. Here we have an opening. Where the screen comes up, then it gets bigger, and this is camera 1, which follows me. Camera 1 follows me to these places. Camera 1. Camera 1. It's going back. It's going back. Bye-bye. And it comes over to here. Camera 1. So camera 1 is quite useful. You can walk around and talk. This is camera 1. Here's camera 2. 3 is the video player. So we can put a carpet down here. This is for camera 4, and it can be a little different than that. This is camera 5. Camera 5. And this is camera 6. It's a slideshow. Camera 7 is a movie right now. Camera 8 is this camera, which can be this one, way over there, this one, right over here, or this close-up one here. So when we're spinning, we can be spinning all the way to here. And this is camera, the back side. So this is a movie right now, and this is close-up. Close-up and back to here. Those are all of the cameras, and then we have super source, which of course plays various things like this.